Hey guys, Chopper's Rule 1 here. Well, check this out. I got another pedal car. This one's not too bad. It does need a little bit of work, but it's not too bad. I mean, the front there needs... It's been yellow, but somebody's painted it all red. There's a couple of patch panels down here on both sides that I got to fix, but other than that, it's not in bad nick. I mean, it's in pretty good condition. And I didn't pay a lot of money for it either, so that was good. But yeah, it's complete. I mean, it needs hubcaps and needs a couple of little bits and pieces. Come on, focus. It needs a couple other little bits and pieces, but I'm not quite sure what went on here, whether it was a windscreen. There is some mounting brackets at the back there that I'm not quite sure what went on it. I don't know whether there was like reflectors, taillights, whether this was an attachment for something, I don't know. The guy that I got it off didn't seem to know either, but it's all solid, like, you know, it's solid. You know, you hear the knock on this, you hear the knock on this. You know, that one's a lot thicker steel than the fire truck, but this is good. The linear drive is a bit different to the other one too, but that's okay. It is in good nick. I mean, it does need a little bit of work to it, but this one will be an easy one to get running. It already runs and drives. You can pedal around it. It's not a great problem, but yeah, I really like the way this one's turned out. So, and I didn't even have to do anything to this one much. As I said, there is a couple of bits and pieces missing, but it's not really a great problem. It's had a bit of an older paint job, but I'm pretty sure I could sand it back and do something with it. Well, there you go, guys. I don't even know what year it is. The guy told me it was from either the late 60s or early 70s, which is possible. He thought it might have been a Cyclops. I don't think so. I'm not entirely sure what it is, but it's pretty cool. I like it. So, yeah. Now I've got number 5. I couldn't get any last year. Now I've got 5 of them. All right, guys. Bye for now.